Whether you're trying to remove creases or just freshen up an outfit, this hand steamer from High Street TV keeps all your clothes looking immaculate. The 3-in-1 design provides vertical ironing, garment steaming and fabric refreshing. Do it all from one tool for maximum flexibility, with a performance that's suitable for a range of fabric types and materials. It's quick and easy to use without the need for other equipment, such as an ironing board. Ideal when you need something ready to wear in a hurry. One simple setting has it ready to use in just 45 seconds without the need for complicated controls, so you can switch it on and get straight to steaming without hassle. Even the toughest, most stubborn creases are eased out effortlessly by this High Street TV hand steamer.